Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for always clicking on my video. God bless you. God bless you. I just felt that production time can actually be a time to learn one or two other things, like motivate you to know how to cope with things that are happening around you, so that you will be able to stand as a better person, not only at what you are training for, but also in life generally, because we can see the world is going hyper and there are people that they want to put you down, they want to body shame that body shame you, say no to it. Maybe you are looking slim and they come to you and say you don't have flesh at all. Don't forget that there are some people who are looking at how they can become like you. Or maybe you are fat-fleshed and they look at you and they give you a title like horrible. And you go home, your mind is centered on that, and you are beginning to be worried about how you look. Please don't forget that there are some people out there who wish that they were you. God does not make mistakes. He's the perfect creator, and He knows how to make up for what is missing in any particular individual. So, if people talk to you to body shame you, you have to prepare your mind to, from now, know the right answer to give to them. Tell them that God does not make mistakes and you did not make yourself. God made you. And then God made you like Him. He made you to be super. He made you beautiful. He made you wise. He made you very intelligent. God made you, a human being to represent Him on earth. So don't allow what people say about how you look to affect you. Don't change your feeling because somebody said you are this or you are that. And probably you are not tall, you are of an average stature or average height, or you are really very small inside. Don't let that bother you. You did not choose to be like that. If it was something you needed to use money to buy, I believe you go all out to look for money to make sure that you get the height that you desire. But the one that created you is not a mistaker. I want you to bear that in mind. So if God created you and He doesn't make mistakes, then the way you look is very perfect for you. I'm telling you. And if you are being deceived that because you are not tall and because you are not fat or because you are not slim, that you are not going to be married, is a lie. That is a big lie. If you watch videos on social media, you will see people that are bigger than your size getting married. You will see people that are shorter than you getting married and, having family and having children. You can see people who are slimmer than you achieving greater things. So please, don't let anybody's word go into your heart to affect your day or disturb your thinking. You are perfectly made. You have to constantly reaffirm this to yourself, that you are perfectly made. You are beautifully, you are wonderfully made by God. And you represent the heavens. You represent the glory of God. So don't let anybody to, speak you out of who you are or speak you out of what you believe and what you know. So if somebody tells you they want to ridicule you and they make a statement, you should be able to return that statement. And that is another point I want to emphasize on. Don't keep quiet. The moment you keep quiet, their own word will prevail in your subconscious realm. So you have to speak out and speak out against that word, not in a fighting way, not in a quarrelsome way, but in a very polite but straight to the point way. Like if somebody says, oh, look at this, your leg is too fat. Just say, I like it. And give a smile. I like it. And if you are the owner of your legs and you like it the way they are, then it is nobody's business to condemn it. You understand my point? If you are putting on a dress and somebody comes to say, oh, this dress is not really good, but you were convinced that the dress was good on you before you came out, then you know how to answer. Oh, I love this dress. It's actually one of my best dresses. You have to speak out instead of keeping quiet and going back home to feel, bad and feel troubled and start calculating and looking at yourself in the mirror and condemning your beautiful creature that God has made. No, you have to answer them. Tell them you like it. Tell them you appreciate God for what He has done in you. You understand my point? So that is the way it works. You don't have to keep quiet. The person that is telling you that, oh, this, that, or that about you is not good, look at the person also. Do you think that person is 100% perfect as a physical, figure? No. You see, some people are not tall, but they are beautiful if you look at their face and their shape. I know a lady that is very, very beautiful. She's not that tall, but if you look at her, you cannot even resist her as a man. You would like to have her as a lady. You understand why my point? God knows how to make up for everyone. You will see some people, they are tall, they are slim, they are beautiful, but if they open their mouth to talk, the set of teeth will put you off. So you see, where you think you are lacking, I'm telling you, God has made other things that will, cover up for you. I'm telling you. And even when people look at you like you are not physically beautiful, your character, the way you behave, the way you relate to people is just amiable and people want to be around you. Or have you not ever wondered why there are so many beautiful ones on the street not married? And then you see those getting married not even up to your standard in terms of physical beauty. But you just have to strengthen your heart and know how to give answer to them at any point in time, because they are all over. There are people, I don't blame them for the way they talk. I think part of it is from where they were brought up. They never had anybody appreciate them, and so it has formed a kind of standard in their hearts. They don't appreciate anything about anybody. No matter how good you look, no matter how you try your best to appear your best, they will see something to condemn about it because it is in them and it is their nature. I'm telling you, it is their nature. So you don't get disturbed by that. Rather, you form a thick skin against such and know how to help your mental health. The worst thing is for you to be dying in your room and someone that said something bad about you is out there enjoying his or her life. And you are there, you are just feeling condemned. No. You have to change that. I remember I was once a victim of this. The moment somebody said something to me about myself, and it was very, very painful to me at that time, but I failed to respond to it. And that was why the hurt was much on me, because I didn't respond to it. So I'm looking at my experience and I'm using it to address someone today to say, please respond. Say something back that will counter that statement in your heart. But don't fight them. Don't quarrel with them. Don't even be harsh. Say it in a polite, gentle way, but that has taken care of the effect of their word in your heart. My aim is to give you something that will help you maintain your mental health without allowing any toxic statement to, affect you. So while you are producing this soap, I hope that this blesses you much. Then if it blesses you, please share it to friends, not just to learn how to make the soap, but to listen to this motivation. And then if you are new here, you're welcome. If you have not subscribed but you have been watching my videos, thank you. Please subscribe today. Try and subscribe today. Like the video, drop your comment. What do you say about this, motivation or motivational speech coming along with this production? Let me know what you feel about it in the comment section. And don't forget to share your experience if you have been, affected at any time by people's statement. Let us know about it and tell us how you overcame the whole stuff. You understand? The Lord bless you. God bless you. And much more. check my video for other videos on my channel for other videos that I've made on liquid soap. I've gotten different types of liquid soap on this channel which you can learn from. And again, you can join my class also. I'll be posting the link here. You can join my class to learn if you want intensive training products. We are here for you. So this is the unique recipes. Actually, this channel is supposed to cover both production and making of diets. But I discovered that people that are here like this diet, production more than the diet. So I've decided to stay with production. God bless you. Thank you for listening and for watching and for learning. And I hope to see you soon in our next episode. I will also be sharing another topic on motivation. So God bless you. Share our video to people so that they can be encouraged and they can learn to stand on their own. Don't listen to what people say about you. What they are saying is their own opinion. That is not the exact thing about you. Don't listen to how they check you out. They look at the way you dress. They look at everything about you. Their intention is to bring your morale down. But refuse that. Resist that and keep your head up there. And keep going. Keep working strong. The Lord bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day. Kindly tell me where you are watching this video from, and could you please suggest another topic that you would like me to discuss while we are learning one or two trades. So suggest a topic that you like us to talk about. There are so many topics that we can talk about. We can talk about how to make more money. We can talk about how to make your house clean. We can talk about how to keep your man. We can talk about how to keep your wife. We can talk about, the choice of, school and career for your children. We can talk about any topic while we are training so that the house will not be boring. So I'd like you to drop the comment down there and suggest a topic that you like us to handle. And I promise you, in the next video, that will be our discussion. I promise I will bring that on, and I will bring your name up also on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and kindly join my channel membership. God bless you. There are exclusive perks that you stand to enjoy when you join my channel membership. Thank you. God bless you, and bye.